وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد. إلا دار زايد لا تقرب حماها، لا تقرب منازلها إلا محب. زايد أسسها واليوث وراها داروا.
Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Peers of Union. Like you are used to us bringing you the most successful stories here in the UAE, we are here in Dubai in Infinity Cafe with Miss Amar. Miss Amar, who is originally from India, and back in 2006 she came in UAE as a cabin crew, and in 2019 she decided to open her cafe with her husband. First of all, welcome Miss Amar. How are you today?
Very good, thank you.
So can you please introduce yourself to us?
Hi, my name is Amar. I'm from Amritsar, India. I came to Dubai in 2006 and I've been working as Emirates cabin crew since then till 2020.
So what made you desire to work in this field? Like why did you decide to open a cafe?
Since we used to spend a lot of time in shisha cafes almost every day off we got, so we decided to open one of our own.
And when did you start this cafe exactly?
We opened on December 31st, 2019.
So as it's common now that no path is taken by anyone is easy, there will always be some difficulties or challenges during running a business or during establishing it. So what are the difficulties you have faced and what is the strategy you have followed to manage it?
I think our biggest challenge is Corona. Because just when we opened our cafe, Corona hit and we had to shut our cafe due to social distancing and all that. Lockdown happened, cafes and restaurants, everything was shut down. That was the biggest challenge. Other than that, we haven't really faced any major challenges.
And what the service you offer here in Infinity Cafe?
Oh, we have, apart from food and drinks, we have shishas. We have about more than 100 flavors of shishas.
100?
And, yeah. And
That's
we have,
a lot.
and we also have some signature shishas that you won't really find in other cafes.
So this is what make Infinity Cafe special.
Special and different.
Each one of us have his own definition for success, but I'm more interested in hearing yours. So, Miss Amar, what does success mean to you?
Success for me means when dreams come true.
And talking about the success, who is the one person who supports you the most and always be by your side during the problems you have faced or during establishing a new business?
I think if I take one person's name, that won't be fair. It's both of our families that stood by us the whole time while we were building this place to making strategies and all that.
Ms. Amar, a lot of companies have a future plan to develop the company or to improve the quality of the services. Have you put a future plan for your cafe?
With regards to business plans and business strategies, we are very much keen in expanding our business, and very soon within this month itself, we are opening another 2 branches.
Also in Dubai or in another?
In Dubai itself, yeah.
Are you willing to expand your business to beyond the UAE?
Of course, if the opportunity comes, why not?
So, talking about the opportunities, UAE is a developing country and constantly improving. During the time frame of your stay in the UAE, what opportunities did the UAE present to you?
Well, UAE, first of all, as you said, it's full of opportunities. Every day, since with my job, working as a cabin crew, meeting different people on board, be it my colleagues or passengers, it gives a lot of different opportunities, but you have to work on the opportunities. So when we saw, we love shisha, me and my friends who opened together, we saw a lot of people love shisha in Dubai, and they enjoy their time spending on shisha together. So this was one of the biggest opportunity that was shown to us by nature, by God. So we just worked on it.
And Ms. Amar, do you have a specific strategy you follow to manage this cafe?
The only strategy we follow is to take care of the people. Customer service is the biggest strategy that can lead you everywhere.
And from your current expertise, what piece of advice would you like to send to all the coming generation who aspire to be like you?
One piece of advice that I would like to give to all young people who want to become entrepreneurs or who want to do something on their own, dream big and work for your dream. Do not stop till your dream has become reality. It's very easy to dream, but it's the toughest thing to work on your dream. Just keep working hard and then relax.
And one final thing, would you like to send a thank you message to all the leaders of the UAE for their support?
I would love to thank all the leaders of UAE for inspiring us, for motivating us, and for giving us the platform to invest in a country like Dubai, which is safe for all of us. It's like second home for us. Dubai is like a second home now. Dubai makes dreams come true. Shukran, Amarat.
So this was the end of our interview. Ms. Amar, thank you for this wonderful interview. It was a pleasure and we wish you more success.
Thanks a lot.
Ladies and gentlemen, this was the end of our episode for today. Stay tuned for our next week episode in Years of Union and stay safe.